Welcome guys to another lesson. This is a different type of lesson. Here like few days ago I just got myself introduced with FireBase. So what is FireBase? Before that, get into some details. Like that, how many times you have thought you have this great idea for creating a website or an app, and then you figured it out, I need a backend, I need a hosting and all, I need authentication, I need to store files like images and all these things. So this is all too complicated, right? So I need a server and all these things, hosting I need to buy and all these things. All these questions is answered by Firebase. So what is Firebase? Firebase is basically a backend for your web application or Android application or iOS applications. So basically, if we go to this site, firebase.google.com, and it's a Google product. So if we just go to this site and you can see this is the Firebase basic site. Then simply click go to console, and if you want you can roam around this website and like look what is good for you and what features it has and all these things, pricing, all these things are there. So if you hit go to console, and it will load in a moment, and you can create a new project. So let's create it, my first Firebase. FB stands for Firebase project, and as of my region I'll select India and we'll create a project. Let it load, it will take a couple of seconds to load. It will create the project and all the database required stuff on the back end, and then you should be redirected to the screen. So what is Firebase? Firebase basically gives us authentication services, like how you want to your users to authenticate themselves with email password, Google, Facebook, Twitter, GitHub, and anonymous login is also available. It gives us database services. So as of now there is no data, that's why we are not seeing anything. It gives us storage services. We can store files and other things in this thing, so we can have this. Then it also provides us with website hosting. We can host and deploy our site and like that. So and it will be on HTTP, so it will be on a secure connection. So if we go back to our first thing overview screen, we'll see what are the features available. It provides analytics, authentication, database, storage, hosting, test lab, and so many other things. So in this series, we'll basically what we'll do, we'll look at one by one what are the possibilities and how to do different things like authentication, how to log in a user with Google account, and then how to or Facebook, Twitter, etc., etc. Or so basically, we'll create small web apps using Firebase as our backend, and we'll slowly will learn hands-on how to implement in a real life scenario, because everyone is full of idea, right? They just need the tools to do it. So Firebase is a great way to start your app, and one other thing is that it's free for the thing. As you can see, this is free for this Spark. Later we can change these plans accordingly also, like how much your traffic. So like that we can see, if we go to select full plan details, we can grow as our requirement increases. Suppose your traffic is more now or for your website, and that time we can grow and we can purchase some higher value stuff. So it's fine for now, and it's free for getting started. We'll see you in a later video. Till then, bye bye.